over medium-high heat. When the pan is nice and hot, I'm going to add in the ground beef. And then I'm just going to break it up just to make it easier. And then I'm going to add in the chopped onions. And I'm just going to stir this and cook this until the meat is no longer pink and the onions is nice and softened. So anywhere between 8 to 10 minutes. After a good couple minutes, I'm going to add in the salt. Paprika and oregano, cayenne pepper and onion powder, and then cumin and chili powder. And then I'm just going to go in and give it a stir. And then I'm going to cook this for about 30 seconds. And all the exact measurement that I use are in the description box down below. Then I'm just going to push the meat toward the edge, and as you can see, I do have some oil. Just gonna push it to the side, and then I'm gonna add in some all-purpose flour. Give it all a nice mix. Make sure there are no lumps. Okay, and then go ahead and I'm going to just toss them all in together. And if you don't care for the fats, you can go ahead and drain it, but I think you're going to want the fat in this dish. It's going to make it delicious. And then I'm going to cook it for about 30 seconds, and then I'm just going to transfer it to another plate. In the same skillet, I'm going to add in the tomato sauce. Along with some water and also some vinegar, along with some Mexican chili powder and some salt, and then some onion powder and cayenne pepper and oregano, and garlic powder and paprika and cumin, and then some sugar. And then I'm just going to go in and give it all a nice mix, combine everything well. And then I'm going to reduce the heat to medium-low, and I'm going to cook this for about 8 to 10 minutes and stir occasionally. After a good couple of minutes, I'm going to give it another quick stir. And then at this point, you are going to want to taste for seasoning. But for me, this is perfect. Okay, make sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And then with the baking sheet lined with parchment paper, I'm going to place 2 tortillas. And then I'm going to add in some oil. And I'm doing that to both of them. And then I'm going to brush it. And then I brush this side too. And then I am going to oil both sides. So I'm just going to flip this side, and I'm going to add in some more oil. And then I'm just going to brush it again. And then I'm going to bake this for about 5 minutes, and then you want to turn it halfway. So now we're going to start building the pizza, and then I'm going to add some sour cream. Just spread it. And a lot of people don't really care for sour cream. They prefer, refried bean. So if that's what you like, you go ahead and do refried bean. This is your pizza you're building. I just like sour cream. because I'm not really a fan of refried beans as much. Okay, and then I'm gonna add in the meat. I'm just gonna let it right on top. Just a tad bit more. Okay, maybe just a little bit more. Won't hurt. We love meat in this house. Okay, and then I'm just gonna add in a little bit of some shredded cheese just right on top, just a little bit, just so the other tortilla that we're gonna put on top can close and doesn't move around. And then I'm gonna place the other tortilla on top, and then I'm gonna add on some sauce. Okay, and then I'm gonna add in some more shredded cheese. You can add as much or as little as you like. I love a lot of cheese on my pizza, so I'm gonna put a good amount. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add in your favorite toppings. And then here I have some black olive, just gonna throw them around. And then some tomatoes. And then some jalapeños, and these are pickle jalapeños. And then some minced onions. Okay, I'm gonna add in a little bit more black olive on the side. Okay, and these are gonna go into the oven for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the cheese is melted at 350 degrees. Here is the end results of the Mexican pizza. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.